So this is where we finished up in the last video with these bits here. So we will just get this cleaned up today. I want to clean this bit up here and that bit down there, get some rust treatment on it, leave that, and then what I'm going to do is going to fit this rear quarter panel, fit all that one, get all that in, and then I'll get all this back bit finished off, get it all cleaned up and in red primer, and then come back and paint the rest of this. And then what I'm thinking is coming to the front, leaving this for now, leaving this bit for now. I'll come up to here, get this bit painted up to here, and then what I'm thinking is coming to the front and checking out these like inner wings and stuff, because as you can see it's pretty rotten. Not too sure to buy some new inner wings, but until I start having a little look and taking all that underseal off, I'm not going to decide until then. So, you know, it is bad. I mean, it's repairable, but so far I really want to go with it. But obviously the front end's pretty much got to come off, but I've got a new front panel already. So I was just literally just taking this underseal off and seeing what we got. But what we do is start with this bit, get this cleaned up. So there you go, it's all in rust protection stuff, so I'm going to get that to dry, and then we'll leave that today and we'll go over to the rear quarter panel. So we're now going to be doing this. There's the panel, so I'll take some of this back and see how rusty it is underneath. I'll probably try and cut it into this bit here, we'll see. Might if it come a bit higher maybe. I'll see. We'll get it all cleaned up, and then we can start seeing where we've got to cut it. So here we go. Wow, there's a ton of filler in here. Wow, that is crazy. Even down here, I can't even see the little bit of the panel where it joins there. There's too much filler in there, but someone's actually filled this quite a bit. So yeah, wow, I just can't believe how thick it is on that corner. So I am gonna go here somewhere like that. Maybe come up this bit here, get rid of some of that filler. We'll see. Oh, even cut it across that bit there. Just across that bit there, we'll see. Just try and get this mirrored up. So yeah, there's so much filler in there, it's ridiculous. And that is proper thick there. But this panel, I can just see where this panel joins onto. because there's so much filler in there. So I'll just take a bit more of this back, try and get this separated, and then I'll cut up here, I reckon, and come along here. But yeah, that's obviously the arch wasn't that put in there before. But yeah, I don't know how thick that is up there still, but we'll see. We'll take it back and I'll see how much is more in there. So I got a bit carried away with this. What I've done is took all the underseal off in here. That's the only side I had to do on this arch. So there's a little bit of rusty there, that ain't too bad. This is pretty clean here. So the only reason I've done this because I want to get into this corner where I'm putting this quarter panel on, and found this rot. So there's obviously been a inner arch put in there, as you can probably see there, that runs across there. So what I'm going to do is chop this right out, this whole bit round here, all the way to here, so I can get to this rear quarter panel. But what I'm thinking, as this bit here is quite, let me see, it's quite thin, so I might just chop it. Round here, and then put this welder's bit back on after. But I think it's been overlapped with another panel before. You can see there's a double skin there. So I'm going to chop this out now first, and then try and get into this corner here. So got all this off. I mean, it's still attached there, but that will be taken off of the rear quarter panel. You can see it ain't too bad in there. Obviously that's where the arch has been put on at some point, so I have to probably weld that to that. I think there's some rust put in between this panel, but I'll get all that out. Yeah, so that'll be taken off this bit as well, so I'm going to rebuild all this at some point, but I'm not worried about it at the moment. I want to get this bit all welded in, the rear quarter panel. Yeah, I'll think about taking it off here and then rebuilding it back in there, and then put that panel in after. Yeah, so this is what I took out. As you can see, it's pretty rotten, to be fair, but I don't know if someone's gone over the old, I think someone's welded it over the old one, over the top of that, and ain't took it out. But yeah, it's not great. So at least that bit's gone. Didn't realise it was that bad this side, but we're the same sort of situation on the other side, but this is a bit worse. But anyway, I'll probably get a new inner arch, and yeah, that's what I'll probably do. So we'll get on with this, and we'll crack on. So I had a little bit of a mare getting this off. So what I'm going to do is rebuild this little panel in here, and then I'm going to cut this out, put a new little bit of panel in there, and another bit around the back here, because that's quite a bit rotten in there. So I'm going to cut that rot out, and then I'm going to put all this back in. So yeah, that should look nice and tidy. So I'll crack on with this bit now and that bit, and then we'll do the rest. I'll quickly do this just to show you. Yeah, done all that. Got it all welded on, looks quite nice. Just gonna get it all smoothed off in the next video because it's starting to rain. There you go, that's good. I've even got a nice smooth finish down there. Still a bit of filler in there, but yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, there you go, down there smooth, all spot welded in. So thanks for coming back again. Got quite a bit done this one. Got the rear quarter panel done, it was nice. Got the underseal off. That was a bit of a long job, so didn't really show that in the video, but I thought just get on with it and get it done. Bit of rot that I wasn't really expecting. I knew it was a little bit rusty, but I didn't think it was quite rotten as that. But at least I'll get another panel, the rear inner arch. So yeah, hopefully that will go in nicely. I might have to rebuild the inside of the arch a bit. But yeah, I'm happy with it. That rear quarters, I'm happy with that. So all good. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for the comments. Like and subscribe. If you haven't already, get yourself involved and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.